Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile, and if you are not able to see lock your profile option, then in this video we will talk how you can get a lock your profile option. So let's get started. First of all, you need to click on this option over here. You can see our profile picture, and you need to click on your profile picture and you will see this kind of window. If you don't see this kind of window, like maybe in your profile you will see over here like you have turned on your professional dashboard. So in that case we will talk about later. For now we are going to click on these three dots, and over here you can see there is an option like lock profile. Okay, so you can see over here, if you're not able to see this option lock profile, it means your professional mode is on. Okay, so we will talk about this later. You can see over here there is an option turn on professional mode. Okay, so you need to click on this one option, turn off professional mode, and you need to close your application, and you need to again log in into your you can say like again open your application, completely turn off your Facebook app, and you need to again log in into your app. And again when you visit on this page, you will see this option over here. When we click, you will see this option lock profile. Okay, so when we click on lock profile, you need to click on lock your profile, and over here you can see you need to click on lock your profile, and simply it will show a window like you have locked your profile, and that's it. By using this method you can lock your profile. And one more thing you need to do, that is like you need to save all the settings related to your privacy and all. So you need to click on this first one option on the screen. You can see your you can say a picture. You need to click on this option, and you need to scroll down. Over here you need to click on privacy and settings, and once we click on privacy and setting, you need to click on settings. And once we click on settings, you will see there is an option like followers and public content. You need to click on followers and public content, and over here you need to click each and every option like friends and friends and friends. Okay, who can follow me? Only friends, and save it. And who can see your list? You can choose any option like public or fame. Who can see your followers? Like only friends or only me, and friends of friends, and only me, and friends of friends. Okay, you need to choose one by one according to your need, and that's it. By using this method you can easily lock your profile picture, or you can say Facebook profile. So if this video will helpful, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.